Hello everyone, welcome to the Nifty Prediction Weekly video series. I am BL Guru. The Indian markets rose to new highs last week. Nifty touched 2200 and Nifty Bank Index also rose above 46,000, both in line with our expectation. Nifty Bank Index is looking more bullish than the Nifty. It has more room to rise from here. However, Nifty is coming close to a very strong trend resistance. Whether this resistance is getting broken or not will decide the next move for the Nifty. Let us now look at the charts and see where the resistance is there for the Nifty and whether it can break above it or not. Nifty has a very important long-term resistance at 2300 and 2400. If this resistance holds and the Nifty falls below 20,000 again, then it can remain in a broad range of 19,000 to 2400 for some more time. However, looking at the weekly chart, the rise over the last 3 weeks is looking very strong. Strong support is now at 19,850 and 19,800. So, as long as the Nifty stays above this support, the bias is bullish. That leaves the chances high for the Nifty to breach 2,400 and rise to 2,700, 2,800 first and then eventually to 21,000 going forward. Nifty Bank has a strong support at 45,750. The outlook is bullish. The index can rise to 47,000 and 47,400 first and then to 48,500, 48,650 over the medium term. Dow Jones failed to break 35,000 and fell sharply on Friday, giving back most of the gains. Immediate support is at 34,575, which is the 21-day moving average. A break below it can take the index down to 34,400 and 34,200. Broadly, 34,200 to 35,100 looks likely to be the near-term trading range. A breakout on either side of this range will determine the next move. We expect the Dow Jones to break 35,100 and rise to 35,500 and 36,000 in the coming weeks. Overall, the outlook is bullish. Nifty has strong resistance at 2,300 and 2,400. However, looking at the strength of rise in the weekly chart, the chances are high for the Nifty to break above 2,400 and rise to 2,700 and 2,800. In case Nifty fails to break above 2,400, it can fall back to 20,000 and 19,850. Nifty Bank is looking bullish. Support is at 45,750. Nifty Bank can rise to 47,000 and 47,400 first and then to 48,500 and 48,650 eventually in the coming weeks. Dow Jones is looking unclear. It can remain in a range of 34,200 to 35,100 for some time. The bias is bullish, so we see high chances for the Dow Jones to break the range on the upside above 35,100 and rise to 35,500 and 36,000 eventually going forward. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis, as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.